What is going on, you guys? How are you all doing today? Hope you guys are doing fantastic as always. Today I am with my buddy Rodwell. As you guys might have seen from some of the previous videos, he just bought this amazing BMW M2. It's a 2016 model year, and today we are at one of my absolute favorite driving roads in Southern California, Palomar Mountain. I believe we were going up the east grade on Palomar Mountain, and we are with a bunch of friends cruising. We got a couple really badass STIs, another E36 M3, a couple cool track cars, 335i's. Really looking forward to seeing how this day goes. Let's get right into it. But look at these views, you guys. Absolutely spectacular. It just makes me feel so thankful that there are such amazing driving roads out here with such stunning scenery, and we have such amazing cars to be able to tackle these canyons. Thank you for your canyon etiquette, good sir. And we proceed. Wow, this car.
That was nice.
That was very, very nice. Now we are chasing this really well-built and well-sorted Honda Civic hatchback. I think it's like a 99 SI conversion, something like that. And then our buddy Klaus is up ahead in his really, really nice STI wagon. I believe it's a 2013. Both of those cars ahead of us are just completely built for canyon driving. So they really haul ass, and Rod's M2 is completely stock, but it's very impressive nevertheless to see what this car is capable of. This is my first time riding in this car in any sort of canyon setting, and it's incredible. You know, we're on the stock EDC suspension. It's fairly similar to what my M235i has in terms of dampening. It feels a little bit stiffer. This car has a dual clutch transmission, N55 engine, 370 horsepower, something like that. And man, this car is just well put, and it sounds really, really good for even the stock exhaust. Ooh, a little bit of understeer right there, huh?
A little bit.
Just a tad, just a tad. Man, this N55 just feels so torquey, you know?
Oh yeah.
I still say it to this day, it's one of BMW's best engines in my opinion. Oof. You know, I've said it over and over. You guys know with my 235i, the N55 I have just fallen in love with because it's an absolute gem of an engine. Such linear power, very smooth, torquey power band.
That was me, or was it him?
I can't tell if that tire screeching is from us or from him. I think that is him, yeah. I think that is him, yeah. Just wanted to highlight some of the cars on this cruise, you guys, because there's some really, really cool rides that have tagged along for this run. So, starting with my boy Shane's car, this is his pure turbo BMW 335i N55. Really fast, very well sorted car. I'm actually going to the track with him pretty soon. This is my buddy Mazen's 335i E90 sedan N54 full bolt-ons, MHD tuned. We have this really nice E36 M3. Looks like it's a lightweight, or it has the decals on it. Supercharged BRZ, Rod's BMW M2, my buddy Max's Civic, and our buddy Klaus's STI wagon. Guys, I really gotta admit, and I apologize if the camera's a bit shaky, we are driving pretty quick through these roads. This car really makes me want an M2, just because of how absolutely wicked it is. And man, you really feel the extra power, the extra suspension in this car. It is really, really cool. We're chasing down an E36 M3. I'm gonna go ahead and flip the camera. Just the views, the cars, the roads, everything is just combining into such a spectacular combination. I know I'm being really redundant here with what I'm saying, but man, this is so cool. It's approaching sunset time as well, so the lighting is starting to get, you know, that golden hour. And we are just tearing these roads up. Beautiful E36 M3. He's taking it pretty easy though at the moment. Guys, we are up in the clouds essentially. It's really fun being passenger too, because one thing that you don't really realize is you really get a much better sense of speed and power when you're sitting passenger, because when you're in the driver's seat, you're so focused on everything, you know, accelerating, braking, shifting, taking each turn as best as you can. You're really not paying attention to the actual car itself and the way it feels, but passenger is a different story. Alright guys, so we brought Rod's car up to this little section of road where we kind of isolated it. This is his M2, as you can see. It is bone stock, but I just wanted to highlight the exterior a little bit. You can see these amazingly gorgeous wide body fenders, 19-inch wheels, the large M brakes. I mean, this car just has that beefy BMW M stance to it. The front bumper, the aggressive intakes, the headlights. We're about to take off. We're gonna get back to driving, ripping these canyon roads. We'll catch up with you guys in just a bit. Anyway guys, so we decided to stop yet again. Sunset is starting to come into full effect. Taking a break because one of our buddies actually slid out and hit the side of the guardrail. Another one of our friends that was on the cruise, his E36 ended up overheating, so we're trying to figure out what the status is on him. Hopefully he's all good, but I will update you guys in just a second and figure out where we are going after this. So it is actually the next day. Unfortunately, I had to cut the vlog a little bit short just because of the fact that we were all getting tired. We all just kind of wanted to cool it. So we decided to turn around and head back down the mountain. Overall, Rod's BMW M2 is fantastic. It was the first time I really got to sit and passenger in that car while he really got to drive that thing. Stay tuned because I will probably be taking it for a spin up some canyons as well, and I'll probably do a review on it because it's a fantastic car. The biggest limiting factor that we actually were running into was the tires. With Palomar Mountain and a lot of these canyon roads, there's a lot of switchbacks, a lot of sharp hairpin style turns, so you have to be careful, and it is very easy to run into understeering issues. So that's why cars like those Civics and those STIs really do well up there, because of the platform, the small lightweight chassis, and good suspension. Not to mention the fact that tires are one of the most important mods that you can do. It looks like the M2 is going to need a little bit of work in terms of upgrades, which was already on the list of plans. So can't wait to bring that all to you guys. Stay tuned for more videos on the 235. If you enjoyed the vlog, please be sure to give me a thumbs up as well as subscribe. With all that being said, I will catch you all in the next one. Later.